Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0tdi M6F 150HP 5-door in sleek grey. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission and top-of-the-line features, this Estatejeep is ready to elevate your driving experience. Cruise in comfort with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation and ambient lighting. Stay safe with ABS, parking assistance, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. This Tiguan has it all, from luxury trim to roof rails to self-driving capabilities. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury today.